You have heard that you need to brush your teeth every day, and we all need a little coaching to ensure we are being effective with our toothbrushing technique. Today's tip: let your tongue tell you where you've missed when brushing. We like to call this the tongue test. Have you ever noticed once your tongue finds a sore spot in your mouth, it can't seem to leave it alone? The tongue is a curious creature, so why not let it explore your teeth and show you where you have missed? When you are done brushing your teeth, take your tongue and let it feel each tooth. Start with the very back tooth by your cheek and work your way around. If you feel like the tooth isn't smooth and feels like it is still furry, go back and brush that area. Then try it again. Let your tongue show you where you need to spend more time brushing your teeth. Everyone's going to need to brush a little differently, depending on their own oral health needs. Finding what works for you may take some time, but I think this tip is a great start to a better brushing technique.